Hi, in this demo I will be explaining how to integrate Facebook login with Parse, which means your app will have the power to log in with your Facebook login details and store those Facebook login details into your Parse database. So move on to your parse.com and create new app. Now I'll be giving the app name as sample demo 5. So create, then press quick start, then press data, mobile, Android, native Java, existing project. And now I'm not going to download the SDK as I have already done. So after unzipping the SDK, you would have two jar files. One will be the Parse jar file and another would be the Facebook details v4 jar file. Copy those two jar files into your libs folder. So after copying that, go on to your build.data file. So inside that build.data file, you have to paste these two lines. One would be regarding the Parse and another would be regarding the Facebook, and then rebuild your project. So after rebuilding your project, the next step would be creating a class. So I have created a class named my app that Java file, which extends the application. So in this thing, I have initialized. I have made a Parse initialization and a Facebook initialization. So I have given my application ID and client key. So after giving this, come to your Android manifest.xml file. So the basic permissions you have to give here, and then you have to add this line over here so that your app will fetch those Parse initiation and will have create a boundage between your app and parse.com and facebook.com, and then you have to generate another activity regarding the Facebook activity, and also under this Android value you have to give a Facebook app ID, which I will be explaining you how to generate the Facebook app ID in a short time. So after generating this, move on to your facebookdeveloper.com. So inside facebookdeveloper.com and under my tabs, press add a new app button, Android. So give the exact name as of your Android app name. So I'm giving it as a sample demo 5, and press the create new app Facebook app ID. Select this as education. Press create app ID. So skip these details. So under package name, you have to give your package name. In this case, this would be my package name here. Copy that one. So copy that over here. And this class name would be the class name where your login activity will be carried over, and in my case the login activity will be my main activity. So press next, and press use this package name. So here key hash value will be generated. For me, it has already been generated. In certain cases, if the key hash has not been generated, there is an alternative option where you can generate the key hash value. So this is the code for generating the key hash value. You have to copy this code and place it under your onCreate method under main activity Java file. Take a note that you have to mention your package name over here. So after entering this code, you have to run it. So after running it, a key hash value will be generated. Copy that key hash value and paste it over here, and then press next. So after pressing next, scroll over up, again come to my apps, press it. So select your app ID, app name, then under that press settings. So there will be a column called key hash column. So you have to copy that key hash value here. So I have already have it over here. Copy over it here, and then press save changes. So and then press use this package name. So after doing it, so you will be having this app ID over here. So this is the app ID that you want to copy it over here in your Android manifest.xml under Android value tab. So you have to copy that application ID over here. So after this, after doing it, you have to go to parse.com, then go to settings, and under settings go to authentication, scroll down. So you'll be having the Facebook column. If the allow Facebook authentication is not enabled, just enable it, and then copy that app ID over here. So copy this over here, and then the app secret, you can find it over here. Just press the show button, and there will be a dialog box prompting to enter your password. So press the password, and the app secret will be generated. You have to copy that over there and press and copy paste it over here. So after doing it, so come to main activity. So I have already written this code. My login page will be looking will be having two text views. One is the username, and another one is the email ID and a button. So coming to the main activity, I will create one on activity result method. Inside that method, I copy this code over here, which returns the request code, result code, and the data. And then these are the usual steps. On press of the submit button, here comes the important part. So there is a method called login with brief permissions background. Let us check what it does. So it consists carries three parameters. One will be the activity, the other would be the permissions, and the other would be a callback method. So the activity here would be which is starting the login process. In this case, ours would be the main activity, and then there will be the permissions, and then a callback method that will be executed when logging isn't logging in isn't complete. So in order to get the permissions right, I have created a list called the M permissions. So in this one, I will be adding these two keywords inside my list. So the public profile. Let us see what this public profile means. So the public profile is nothing but which provides access to a subset of items that are part of a person's public profile. So these are the default keywords that the Facebook API provides. So you just need to add on to get those details. After doing it, so you'll be okay. If the user is a new user, then there are two there is I have called one method, and the user has already created a has already logged in through Facebook. Then we can fetch the user's details from the Parse. So get user details from Facebook will be from here. So it is a graph request method. So for the graph request method, you'll be having you have to pass access token, and you'll be returned a JSON object. So the two JSON objects that we require over here in our thing is the username and the email. So we are getting those two JSON objects and then saving it in a method called as save new user. So the save new user method just fetches the current user from the Parse database, and then sets the username and email ID to the Parse database. And then if the user has already logged in through Facebook, then we can just retrieve those user details from the Parse database directly. So for that we'll be getting the current user, and then just setting the value of the username and the email to the screen. So let us now run this app and take a look at how it works. Now I have run the app, and this is the login activity screen. So before that I want to go to the parse.com and show you that there are no users created over here. So now I'm going to press the submit button. So after pressing the submit button, the Facebook login page has opened. Now I will be giving my Facebook login detail. And then press login. So press OK. So it has accepted it. Now the new user has been created. So now I'm going to go to the parse.com and refresh it. See, a user has been created under the name of username Naveen Kumar, and email has been generated. Now on press again, if I press the submit button, I will be getting the username and email ID over the text view here. Let me do it. So you have it says that you have already authorized sample demo 3. So press OK. And that's it. I have got the username and email ID. Thank you.